Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your money out of Coinbase. First, you'll need to ensure you have a verified bank account or PayPal linked to your Coinbase account. This is the primary way to move your funds. We'll cover the simple steps to initiate a withdrawal, discussing the different options available and what to expect regarding processing times and any associated fees. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. To begin, log into your Coinbase account and find the Cash Out or Withdraw option. You'll then select the specific cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to convert to cash. Enter the exact amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's within your available balance. Finally, choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as your linked bank account or PayPal, and confirm the transaction details. It's important to understand that Coinbase has daily and weekly withdrawal limits, which can vary based on your verification level. If you're planning a larger withdrawal, you might need to complete additional identity verification. Before finalizing any transaction, always take a moment to review the displayed fees. These can differ depending on the withdrawal method and the amount, so it's good to be informed. If you encounter any issues, first check your email for confirmation or error messages from Coinbase. Sometimes, a simple verification step is pending. If your withdrawal is delayed beyond 5 business days, it's best to reach out directly to Coinbase support for assistance. They can investigate specific transaction details. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.